Good evening, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is Learn e-marketing or outsource digital marketer. Ladies and gentlemen, since because of Corona everything is online, we have started adopting this email marketing kind of thing. Everything is online. So whatever businesses that were running traditionally earlier, because of Corona they have stopped. So business has stopped because of a particular kind of pandemic. But if we completely stop the business, how will we feed our families? What will be the source of income, ladies and gentlemen? There will be zero source of income for us. And taking care of your good health, that is also important. So both these things are equally important. Looking after your health and maintaining your business at the same time. Simultaneously, you have to take care of both the things. Because if you don't take care of both the things at the same time, it will bring huge losses to you. You concentrate on business, go outside, you will be facing disease. You don't go outside, you sit at home, but you absolutely do not concentrate on your business. You will lose money, you will lose your business, you will lose your job. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, either you learn e-marketing or you outsource your business. Only two things are there by the help of which you can survive. Either you learn e-marketing or you outsource your business to e-marketers. Either you learn digital marketing or you outsource your business to digital marketers. Two things are there. Now, as far as one thing is concerned, learning digital marketing. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone is not expert in digital marketing, and since people are having different types of businesses, they cannot leave their core business and start learning digital marketing. It's an entirely different profession. So you cannot stop your current business, which is absolutely different from digital marketing, and you start focusing your whole concentration on digital marketing. It cannot happen. You cannot leave your traditional business that you are doing. Whatever that business may be, that may be a shop, that may be a showroom, that may be a business of shoes, that may be a business of polythene, it may be business of food material, whatever that business may be. You cannot leave your business, you cannot leave your job and start learning digital marketing kind of thing so that you can run your business online successfully. Not possible. Not possible, ladies and gentlemen, because already you are overburdened with your current business that you are doing. Already you are overburdened with the current task that you are doing. Today, this is the time of 24/7 working hours. People are not finding time to sleep, ladies and gentlemen. People are so busy in their jobs, in their task. So it is not possible to equally concentrate on learning digital marketing thing and then implementing it for your business for its success in this pandemic time. Not possible. Absolutely not possible, ladies and gentlemen. The people who are already working in this digital marketing domain, the people who are digital marketers, they know how to manage things because it is their business. They know how to bring businesses online. They know how to run businesses successfully online. And that's why someone who is in digital marketing profession, he can easily handle this pandemic condition. Because he is expert. Why he is expert? Because he has studied this particular subject. Digital marketing is a subject. In my earlier videos also I have explained this thing, that this is a proper course. Just like we do courses in languages and other such things, this is also a course. Digital marketing is a full-fledged course, ladies and gentlemen. You become a certified digital marketer after doing this particular kind of course. And then you start providing digital marketing services to those people who need it, who want to bring their business online. They approach these digital marketers, and then these digital marketers help people to bring their business online. So this is what you need to do. Either you develop your own digital marketing team within your industry, or you will have to outsource a digital marketer. Two things are there that can save you in this pandemic condition. Either you develop your own core team related to digital marketing. Of course, you may be running an industry and there might be large number of great software developers in your own industry. Doesn't matter what that industry is producing. You might be having your own specific software developer. That is a possibility. So your internal software developers and IT team, they can design their own digital marketing kind of setup where they can help you to bring your business online. So that is internal structure of an industry. This is called internal structure of an industry. An industry is already full-fledged, intelligent in terms of information technology, and then the core members of that particular industry, they start their research on digital marketing, and then they brought their business in digital domain in this pandemic time. And suppose you belong to some entirely different industry which is absolutely unaware of IT kind of thing. It is a possibility. You might be doing such business which is absolutely different from information and technology and other such kind of thing. But still you have to survive in this pandemic condition. In that case, you need to outsource digital marketers. Try to meet some digital marketer who can bring your business online. That digital marketer will help you to understand that how you can bring your traditional business online, what necessary things you have to keep in mind regarding this, how you have to run your business successfully through internet. He will take care of everything. He will take care of everything. You just need to hand over your project to that digital marketer. And then everything is in the hand of digital marketer. That digital marketer will systematically design the strategy for bringing your business online and running it successfully in the same way as it was running when the pandemic was not there. So ladies and gentlemen, this is up to you that what strategy you have to follow to survive in this pandemic condition. If you are already having a well-versed IT team, if you are already having a built-in IT infrastructure, whatever your industry may be, that IT team can help you to come out of this grim situation by focusing on digital marketing. And if you are not having your internal IT team, it is better you hire some digital marketer. You please give your project to some digital marketer, and that digital marketer will help you to understand that how to bring your business online, and he will help you to come out of this grim situation in this pandemic condition. Ladies and gentlemen, within these two things, we have to choose one. And what we are going to choose, it is completely our own choice. What you are going to choose, it is completely your own choice. So either you develop your own internal IT team, or you please give contract to some digital marketer who can help you to survive in this pandemic condition, who can help you to bring your business online and run it as successfully as you were running it when the pandemic was not there. Ladies and gentlemen, situations keep coming in life. Bad situations keep coming in life. But we have to find out that what necessary things we can do in order to come out of that bad situation. Because if we remain in that bad situation for a longer period of time, our enthusiasm will die. And when the enthusiasm dies, everything dies in life. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so that every time you can get the instant notification of all my latest videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day.